Good morning, Math 7 students. Wasn't that a fun video with the sugar packets and the Coke drink? Well, it's such a fun lesson, I didn't want us to miss out on it. So first today, you're not seeing me right now. I want you to take notes on lesson 8.1, sugar packets. So you can pause right now if you want to get out a piece of paper. We're going to write a few things down and then we're going to have some fun. So go ahead and pause. Okay, now since you've seen that video, I want you to write some things down. Our new chapter is about ratios, and we're going to use ratios to answer the question that was in the video. We want to know how many sugar packets it takes to sugar a 20-ounce bottle of Coca-Cola. So we need a few things. We need to know, one, how much sugar is in each sugar packet. And the second thing we need to know is how much sugar is in each bottle of Coke. I'm sure you can hear my dog click, click, click on the floor. He wants some food or attention right now, but he's just gonna have to wait a few minutes. You're at my home in my daily life. Okay, so if I look at a Coke bottle, the 20-ounce Coke has 65 grams of sugar. And if I look at a packet, there is one packet. There is 4 grams of sugar in it. So I'm going to set up a ratio to figure out how many packets are in each bottle of Coke. So I've got 1 packet over 4 grams of sugar equals, I don't know how many packets are in a bottle, but there are 65 grams of sugar in the bottle. I'm going to type bottle up here, write it. Okay, so we're going to talk a lot more about ratios, but I know in 6th grade and probably earlier you've had some exposure to ratios. So it's fun to introduce this with something interesting. But I want you to note that we have to have the ratios line up. So I've got packets on the top. I've got 1 packet of sugar and I've got packets in the bottle. And on the bottom, I have grams of sugar in a packet versus grams of sugar in the bottle. So we've got packets on top and grams of sugar on the bottom. So I have to have the ratios match that way. Now I'm going to take all the words out, and this becomes 1 over 4 equals x over 65. And that becomes a proportion. And so I'm going to cross multiply. And I get 4x equals 65. I'll let you catch up. And then I have divide by 4 and I get 16.25. So I need 16.25 packets, but I can't just have 1/4 of a packet. So I have to round it up to 17 packets of sugar that I need. All right, so think about that. For every 1 bottle of Coke, you have 17 packets of sugar. Okay, so now what we're going to do is look at how many packets of sugar are in other drinks. So I'm going to do one for you. I'm going to do a bottle of vitamin water. We'll look at it in a minute. So I will just tell you that the vitamin water, when I look at the bottle, has 27 grams. Okay, so now I'm going to use my ratio of 1 to 4. So 1 packet to 4 grams equals how many packets over 27? So I cross multiply and I divide, and let's see what I get. I am going to let you catch up there. And I get 6.75, so I have to round that up to 7 packets of sugar. Now, how does that compare? 7 packets of sugar in vitamin water, and we have 17 packets. That's like 2.5 times as much sugar in a Coke versus vitamin water. So if you're looking for something good to drink that is better for you, you're going to want to choose the vitamin water. Okay. So now I'm going to finish this video and I'm going to come back talking about other drinks and what I want you to do.